Olympiad practicing journey, right? And today, for the first video lesson, we're going to learn place value. Place value is a very important concept while solving in any Olympiad, because especially for second to fifth, because you get the actual value when you're multiplying or doing any operation, and having a sense of place value helps you do those operations and the tricks that you learn further easily. Okay, so for this example, we've taken 52,431, right? 52,431 can be split into 50,000, 2,430 and 1, right? So each of these numbers have their own place and have their own value. Okay, like I just said, 5 into 10,000 becomes 50,000, right? So you must have all learned the units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. You must have written like this when you were in primary school, or even now you can write like this to help you get a better understanding, right? So you write it like this. It's pretty much the same thing. It's just that whatever value is associated with it, so in this example, right, you multiply with that. 2 into 1000 becomes 2000, simple multiplication. 4 into 100 becomes 400, so on and so forth, right? So that is essentially what place value is. To practice this, you need to write it in extended form, like this form that I've given, right? This way, when I teach you tricks later on, it strengthens your number sense, which means that while you're adding something like 47 plus 53, 536, right? Let's take not 553, we'll take 536. So now instead of adding 4 and 5 and 7 and 3, you know that you need to add 4 and 3 and 7 and 6, despite the way they're written, because you will have that understanding of place value. Because in Olympiads, they'll try to trick you or give you questions in the way that you're not so familiar with, and this is one kind of trick that they use. They change up the order, and all of the numbers are not always don't have the same number of digits, so you need to be very careful in this sense. That's why place value helps a lot.